Let's do this. Alright, first of all, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Get yourself a cooking tray and put alcohol on it. Alright, then you want to get yourself some French onion soup mix. The packet of French onion soup mix. So these are like $1. So grab a heap and put them in the cupboard because this is an awesome munch when you've got nothing. Alright, so you only probably need 1 pack for how much we're doing, but just grab a few anyway. It makes heaps up. Alright, then you want your bread. Whatever bread you got, it doesn't matter. Continental loaf, this bread, round bread, square bread, doesn't matter. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, I'm just using normal plain everyday margarine. But if you want to use butter or a fancy margarine or whatever, like, knock yourself out, it's all good. Alright, you want to give it a good coat of butter. Then you want to put your French onion soup into a bowl. I've got to make sure it does, you see. Alright, and then you sprinkle it over it. Not too much. Oops. Alright, just a little bit. And then sort of press it in with the back of your spoon. Alright, and then turn it over. Butter the other side. And sprinkle it. Push it over the back. Okay, so once you've done that, you can cut them up into any shape you want, alright? Normally I'd probably do square ones and that. Because I've got this stupid shaped bread like that, I might do fancy triangles today. So, like I said, cut them in any shape. Now, if you're having a birthday parties or anything, and you've got all different sorts of cutting, like cookie cutters, cut them up into some really cool things. I couldn't find any. So, I don't do it that way today. But yeah, if you find some really cool cookie cutters, so I'm going to cut it into quarters and then I'm going to cut it again. Alright, so you want them roughly that size. And just keep going until you've got a tray full. So I found a Christmas tree cookie cutter. I just wanted to just do it just to show you. Might even be able to squeeze a fourth one in. Look at that. Alrighty. So yeah, if you want to get yourselves little cutters, you probably can't tell with that. And yeah, you can make all different sorts. So there's little Christmas trees. So I'll whack them on there as well. Righty, once you've got them all on your tray, see there's a little Christmas tree ones there. It'd be pretty cool though if you can find the right sort of cutters. They're a pretty fun way of doing it. Okay, so once you've got them all on your tray and your oven's clicked off and it's preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, you want to put them in for 5 minutes, but keep an eye on them because every oven's different. You only want them to go light brown on the top in the first 5 minutes, because then you turn them over for the next 5 minutes. And when you turn them over, they'll be darker on the bottom than the top, alright? So you want them light brown on the top, but I've done it a few times now, and 5 minutes. 200 degrees, 5 minutes. Put them all over, another 5 minutes, and get them out. Put them all on a cooling rack. Well, there you go, my friends. I think it was only like 4 pieces of bread. You can just do load after load after load. Now, if you can stop yourself from eating them hot, once they've gone cold, I attempted the first batch about a week ago, and I've put them in like a roses tin, and they're still crunchy today, so they last a while. Alright, you ready? Let's do the crunch test. Oh, look, just try it, eh? Thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.